Today we're here to talk about a new initiative at Morningstar called the Capital Markets Survey. This video basically goes into details as to what some of the interesting outcomes of the data actually were. Well, we thought it would be kind of interesting for investors for two reasons. One is because it would give a bit of a window into the insight and expectations of the institutional investors. And the second reason was that it would actually help individual investors kind of marry portfolio managers' views of the markets with actual portfolio positioning. The first key observation was the dispersion in expectation for the cash rate. So we had lows from 2% all the way up to 4.5%. So this is expectations from managers over a medium-term time horizon. But what that basically means is that all managers are essentially unanimous that the cash rate will be higher over the medium term than what it is now. But what's also very interesting is that given cash is actually the input in the pricing of different risk premia in different asset classes, this could have material impact on how managers see expectations further along the risk curve. The next really interesting observation was the expectation around the return for fixed income. Basically, on average, managers kind of believe that the return for fixed income will be probably somewhere along the lines of what the current 10-year bond yield is. And what this insinuates is that the largest component of return for bonds that managers are expecting over the medium term is actually the income, with very little, if not almost nil, capital appreciation prospects. The final interesting observation, which probably comes as no surprise, is that all managers unanimously agreed that volatility across all asset classes would be higher in the future than it is now.
Any advice in this video is general advice prepared by Morningstar without reference to your financial objectives, situation, or needs. You should consider the advice in light of these matters and any relevant product disclosure statement before making any decision to invest.